Nick David here with NDA Studios, and today I'm with Andreas. Just tell us a bit about yourself, your business, and what do you do?
So I'm a professional stuntman and acrobat, and I also have this company called The Awakened Warrior, where we do warrior training for people. We take groups of people, go camping into nature, and we teach them a variety of different modalities to help awaken their inner warrior spirit.
That's amazing. And I went on one of those retreats. So much fun.
Yeah, it was such an honor to have you on the very first one too, man. It was so awesome to work with you in that space, and yeah, I can't wait to talk more about this.
Yeah, same, same. Okay, so what kind of challenges were you facing before like hiring me as to shoot? And yeah, what kind of problems were you having as far as marketing, branding, like all that goes?
Well, honestly, I mean, first of all, it's just hard to get good people to work with, you know? It's like it's hard to find talented videographers that will do things on timely deadlines and also just show up on time, very basic things that not many people have a hold of. Um, and and then also just like that on top of that with like just like the quality of production that you deliver, for example, like you're a professional in all aspects and all ways that you came through on all these things. You're reliable, you're on time, you're sorry, spacing, you're professional, and also it's just a you're a good time to work with. Like you're fun, you're like you know when to be serious and you know when to take things seriously and to take direction very well, but then you're also like down to have a good time and like it's not always super serious. So which is I
Yeah,
really appreciate that.
yeah, of course, anytime. And I have always have fun on shooting with you too. Okay, so why did you decide to work with me over other video agencies or videographers?
Well, for being honest here, it's because I've
Yeah,
seen how you've dealt with some other very difficult clients in the past, and you seem like a freaking angel sent from heaven above. The way you deal with them in a professional manner, where sometimes they don't necessarily show you the respect that you deserve, and you're still there, showing them the utmost respect and being all professional and stuff, and you don't let tension or like triggers get in the way of you like doing your job. You take direction very clearly, and even though some people don't know how to respect some people in that line of work, you do a very good job at like holding down the fort in that, you know.
I appreciate it.
That's
Yeah,
really what got me.
definitely, definitely. Like it definitely in this line of work, it's same for you too. There's so many different personalities, and it's really important to like not only mesh, but if shit hits the fan, be able to adapt to
Exactly.
those situations or personality types. Yeah. Okay, awesome. So what specifically did we work on together?
You came to our very first retreat called Operation Pegasus, which was our first Awakened Warrior retreat. And that was a more one where we did like more hands-on, like just like you working for me and you were one of the videographers on set. We had like a whole production team and you came through and captured all the content that we needed. I've also worked with you in the past shooting some more like stunt related fighting choreographies with other stunt creators. And that's honestly like where I really, you caught my attention, like the way you work and everything in those professional settings. It was like really awesome to see. So
Yeah, appreciate it. Okay. So next question, rolling through these.
go for it.
Um, yeah, so how was that experience, like process like? Can you outline the process from start to finish? You can pick any project. There was also the suit project too, but
Yeah. I mean, all of them, like I said, the very first things that caught my attention was like how you react in moments of like high stress and yeah, high stress in professional settings. And you're such a professional, you know how to handle stress. You don't freak out where people would freak out or otherwise just like not know how to react in certain areas. And that's what led me to want to work with you in these other settings where with the Awakened Warrior campouts, which are we were in the middle of a freaking desert. Like it's super hot. We're training, and here you are capturing all the footage and like being such a trooper in sport. Not I don't hear you complaining at all ever. And then also done some more stunt shoots with at our tailor shop, Seth. And that was
mm,
super awesome. Like we hit it and quit it. You like your angles, you know how to work with other talent, and so that was it's just been overall very pleasant and professional experience. And the quality you deliver is top notch.
right. Okay. That was going on to my next question. How is the content we provide you, quality, etc.
Quality, high quality. That's honestly probably the main reason why I still why I choose to work with you. You
Yeah,
know?
I appreciate it. Okay, awesome. And then let me see. Next question. Okay, what sort of results did you get as a result of working with me? And what others can expect from working with me and my team?
Well, I got some really epic marketing promotional footage that I've used to promote my own brand, The Awakened Warrior. And what can others expect? They can expect professionalism, a good time, high quality production value, like deliverables, um, in a timely and respectful manner. Uh, what else? And yeah, I think you take direction very well. And anytime we need you to tweak certain things, like there's like no ifs, ands, or buts. You work very well with all the clients, from what I've seen in my personal experience, and that's very, very nice to have around in someone like you.
Right, I appreciate it. And then that leads me to my last question. If there was anybody maybe on the fence of booking a call with me or my team working with me, what would you say to them?
Oh, dude, I'd say don't think twice about it, man. You're wasting your time thinking about it. You got someone like right here that's like super professional, high quality, great rates, and it's a no-brainer for me. You know, like the more you start to overthink about this, like no, there's such few people out there that are like you that I wouldn't waste any more time like looking for more. You know, when they cross
Right.
your path, that's great. You can come and bring them all together and like work with different people, but you're like such a gem, man. So it's hard to find people like you. Of
Thank you. Words by heart. Appreciate it. For real. Thank you.
course.
Thank you. All right, absolutely. And that that was it. Thank you so much for hopping on, Andreas. And yeah, that's
Of
pretty
course,
much it.
brother.